Think you're building a strong chest with the bench press? Most people are actually wrecking their shoulders without even realizing it. And that's not an exaggeration. Today, I'm going to show you the correct way to do the barbell bench press, so you get bigger, stronger pecs without risking your shoulders. Let's be real. Half the people in the gym are bench pressing wrong. Maybe your elbows flare out like wings. Maybe you arch your back so much your lower spine is screaming for mercy. Or maybe you're bouncing the bar off your chest thinking it's a shortcut to bigger gains. Here's the kicker. Every small mistake compounds over time, and your shoulders pay the price first. So if you want strength and safety, we need to fix these issues first. But here's the part most trainers won't tell you. Your hand placement and shoulder position can make or break your bench press form, and it's not just about comfort. All right, let's break it down step by step. First, your shoulders. Think of your shoulder blades as the foundation of a house. You wouldn't build a house on sand, right? So retract and slightly depress your scapula. Pinch them back and down. This stabilizes your shoulders and protects them during the press. Next, your hand placement. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width, but don't go too wide. Too wide on your shoulders take a beating. Too narrow and your triceps dominate. And keep your wrists straight, not bent backward. This keeps the force traveling efficiently from your chest to the bar. Now the elbows. When lowering the bar, aim for about a 45-degree angle from your torso. Flared elbows put unnecessary stress on your shoulder joint, while elbows too close limit chest engagement. And here's the secret many beginners miss. It's not about lowering the bar as fast as possible. It's about control. More on that in just a minute. Many people treat the bench press like an upper body only exercise, but your core and legs play a huge role in stability. Brace your core like you're about to get punched in the stomach. Tight abs protect your spine and help transfer power. Plant your feet firmly on the floor. No tiptoes, no floating heels. Your legs act like pillars, giving you a stable base to push heavier weight safely. Think of it like a tripod. If one leg is wobbly, the whole structure can collapse. Bench press the same way. Solid base, strong press. Let's compare. On the left, shoulders retracted, elbows at 45 degrees, bar lowering slowly to mid-chest, core tight, feet planted. On the right, elbows flared, shoulders shrugged, bouncing the bar off your chest, arching your back excessively. Notice how the correct form protects your shoulders and engages your chest fully, while the wrong form shifts stress to joints and limits muscle activation. That's why form matters more than just lifting heavy. And don't fall for this myth. More reps equals bigger chest. Wrong. Quality beats quantity every time. 10 controlled reps will build more muscle than 20 sloppy ones. Now here's where it gets next level. Slightly tuck your elbows closer on the way up to engage your triceps without sacrificing chest activation. Keep the bar path straight, not a huge arc. Imagine pressing the bar in a vertical line from your mid-chest to directly above your shoulders. Breathe intentionally. Inhale as you lower the bar, exhale as you push up. This stabilizes your core and prevents lower back strain. And remember, small adjustments can make a huge difference over time. Shoulder stability, grip width, elbow angle, bar path, they all work together like a symphony. One off note and you risk injury or stagnation. So, the full picture. Retract and depress your shoulders, grip slightly wider than shoulders, elbows at 45 degrees, bar lowers slowly to mid-chest, core braced, feet planted, controlled breathing, smooth push. That's it. Simple, safe, and effective. Think you can just rush through it? Think again. Even one sloppy set undoes weeks of careful training. Now here's your challenge. Grab the bar, set up your shoulders, grip, elbows, core, and legs perfectly, and do 10 controlled bench press reps with this form. Feel the difference. Your chest should be working, your shoulders protected, and your body stable. Remember, it's not about ego. It's about building strength safely. Start perfect, progress smart, and the gains will follow. You've got this. Try 10 perfect reps today. Subscribe for more training tips.